solar garden light with the butterfly fiber optics hanging down. You have a solar panel that's 1.2 volts with protective film over the solar. It's a 600 milliamp battery that you have a stake that you're going to put into the bottom of the plastic base and place into the ground and adjust it to the sun. You have a number of switches, an on and an off. And you are going to unwrap each of the product's bags, pull out the fiber optic, and it springs out into action. It has a butterfly on top and an LED light right here. So if I cover the light, you can see it changing different colors. And you're going to take the top cap, assemble it, make sure it goes into place, push down firmly 100% till it matches the plastic. When you cover everything, you notice that all the tips over here are going to light up. Everything over here is going to light up on top, and you can spread open the butterfly wings just a little bit. And there you have your solar lights. So what we're going to do is shut this off, go place the 3-pack outside, allow it to grab the sun 4 to 6 hours for 8 to 12 hours of run time. Also, if you ever need to change out the batteries, simply remove the 4 screws, the top plate, and the batteries are replaceable. Remember, these are IP rated 65, so let's go hook these all up outside in an area and show you what they will look like in the evening hours. We have a red, yellow, and blue butterfly. And we're going to put it in our garden over here. Again, they're very simple to hook up. Make sure they go in direct sunlight. As long as you have sunlight hitting it, they will charge up. You simply find a spot, stake it in, and allow it to get sun. When you're next to another light, please make sure they don't interfere when nighttime comes. Leave them off for a day or two and then turn them on, and we'll see what they look like once they get fully charged. We have here is the fiber optics of a butterfly solar LED light. As you can see, it's changing its colors of all 3. They are breathing real slow, and they look like a jellyfish with a butterfly. I'll give it a little shake. They hold its shape. This is a butterfly jellyfish light. They change colors. We have red, purple, teal, and the light goes around the butterfly, and they do dress up your area, your pathway, wherever you want to put these. On the solar panel, it's either off or on. As the wind blows, you can see them move around. I hope this is something that you are looking for in a solar pendant jellyfish with the butterfly light.